everybody. I'm going to sing you today a little lullaby that was a family favorite for us. I used to sing it every night to my son James when he was a little baby. And it's called Morningtown Ride. And this is how it goes. Train whistle blowin' makes a sleepy noise. Underneath their blankets go all the girls and boys, headed from the station, miles along the bay, all bound for Morningtown, many miles away. Sarah's at the engine, Tony rings a bell, James swings the lantern to show that all is well. Rocking, rolling, riding out along the bay, all bound for Morningtown, many miles away. Maybe it is raining where our train will ride, but all the little travelers are snug and warm inside. Somewhere there is sunshine, somewhere there is